Good afternoon. Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss three functions: product, quotient, and power. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So here I have the data on two variables, X and Y. Now let's see the use of product function. Product function is used to multiply two or more values. So write equal to product, select first cell, that is A2, comma, B2, close the bracket, enter. So this is the idea of product function. Now let's understand the quotient function. So here I write is equal to quotient. You first select the numerator, comma, then we select the denominator, enter, and answer is 1. Now suppose you have 10 here. So instead of 3, I'm writing 10 in B2 cell. Then you see the answer. The product is 30, that is 3 into 10. The value of quotient is 3. So when you use this function, it discards the value of remainder. And then we have power function. So is equal to power. You select the cell, that is A2. Now suppose I want to find 3 raised to 4. So power is 4 and therefore we need to write 4. You close the bracket, enter, answer is 81. So it is 3 raised to 4. So this is how we can use product, quotient, and power function in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.